Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 blenders in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading blender that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Ninja BL610 Professional Blender. Buckle up, because this sleek black powerhouse is about to revolutionize your kitchen game. With a robust 1000 watts of professional power, the Ninja BL610 can crush ice, obliterate tough ingredients, and turn your kitchen into a flavor factory. Corded electric and amperage? Check and check. Need to whip up a batch of creamy smoothies for the whole crew? The 72-ounce professional blender pitcher has your back. It's like having a smoothie bar in your own home, with a max liquid capacity of 64 ounces. Say hello to total crushing technology. Those blades mean business. They pulverize ice, blitz through whole fruits, and even turn veggies into liquid gold. Seconds, people. Seconds. Craving a frosty treat? The Ninja BL610 blasts ice into snow faster than you can say, brain freeze. Get ready for resort-style frozen drinks right in your kitchen. Stuck in a smoothie rut? Fear not. The included recipe guide sparks creativity, offering tantalizing drink and dish ideas. Your taste buds will thank you. In conclusion, in summary, the Ninja BL610 is more than a blender, it's a flavor wizard. Plus, cleanup is a breeze thanks to its BPA-free, dishwasher-safe pitcher. So go ahead, blend, crush, and conquer. Number 4. The Magic Bullet Blender, a compact powerhouse that promises to revolutionize your kitchen game. The Magic Bullet does it all: chopping, mixing, blending, whipping, and grinding. It's like having a culinary wizard on your countertop. Crafted from high-impact plastic, the cups are built to withstand your daily kitchen adventures. No more worrying about accidental drops. From morning smoothies to savory omelets, this blender effortlessly tackles it all. Sauces, dips, and creamy delights, prepare to be amazed. With its 250-watt high-torque motor base, the Magic Bullet means business. Say goodbye to lumpy blends and hello to silky smooth results. The included recipe guide jumpstarts your culinary journey. Appetizers, desserts, and everything in between, just add water for veggie blends. In conclusion, in a nutshell, the Magic Bullet Blender is your kitchen sidekick, making meal prep a breeze. Number 3. The Aeitto Blender. Whether you're whipping up a refreshing smoothie or crushing ice for your favorite frozen drinks, this blender promises to be your trusty sidekick. The Aeitto blender boasts 3 handy presets: ice crush, smoothie, and juice. No more guesswork, just hit a button and let the blender work its magic. Plus, with 7 adjustable speeds, you can customize your blend to perfection. Those upgraded 8-point blades are like ninjas in the kitchen. They delicately slice through fruits, veggies, ice, and seeds, ensuring you get every last nutrient and vitamin. Say hello to smoother blends. Buckle up. The Aeitto blender houses a beastly 1800-watt industrial-grade motor, revving up to a peak speed of 25,000 RPM. But fear not, it's whisper-quiet and odor-free. Your taste buds will thank you. No fuss, no muss after the blending fiesta. Toss the jar in the dishwasher for a hassle-free cleanup. Number 2. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. Whether you're a protein shake aficionado or a frozen drink fanatic, this blender promises to be your trusty sidekick in the kitchen. With a robust 700 watts of peak blending power and stainless steel ice saber blades, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite tackles everything from silky smoothies to chunky protein shakes. No more wimpy blends. Picture this: ingredients swirling around the jar, continuously forced down into the blades. That's the patented wave action system at work. It crushes even the toughest foods, leaving no lumps behind. Say goodbye to spills and dribbles. The blender's spout lets you pour your concoctions directly into your glass without any mess. Perfect for busy mornings or post-workout refueling. After whipping up multiple servings, cleaning up is a breeze. The 40-ounce glass jar, lid, and removable blades are all dishwasher safe. No more scrubbing, just blend, rinse, and repeat. In conclusion, in a nutshell, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender combines power, convenience, and versatility. Whether you're a seasoned smoothie pro or a newbie in the blending game, this sleek black beauty deserves a spot on your countertop. Number 1. The Ninja BN301 Nutri-Blender Plus, your new kitchen sidekick. The BN301's 900 peak watt motor base means business. It blitzes through ingredients like a pro, ensuring silky smooth blends every time. Say goodbye to stubborn chunks. These blades are like tiny ninjas. They pulverize ice and transform whole fruits and veggies into nutrient-packed goodness. Your morning smoothie just got an upgrade. Grab one of the 3 20-ounce Ninja to-go cups, blend your favorite concoction, and pop on the spill-proof spout lid. Voila! Sip your masterpiece while conquering the day. Stuck in a smoothie rut? Fear not. The BN301 comes with 20 recipes in the box. From energizing shakes to exotic blends, this blender's got your back. No one likes scrubbing blender parts. Good news, the BN301's cups, lids, and blade assembly are dishwasher safe. Less hassle, more sipping. In conclusion, whether it's post-workout fuel or a midnight milkshake craving, the Ninja BN301 Nutri-Blender Plus has your back. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.